welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful purpley pinkish green look. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I actually thought I was filming, but I wasn't. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use the new Makeup Geek shadows. I did use this pinky purplish shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this right onto my brow bone. That's going to be my first shade that I'm going to go ahead and use. I was actually getting ready to do a TikTok video, so that's why I was already doing my makeup. But then I liked how my eye looks. I was like, you know what, let me film this look for my YouTube channel because I know a lot of people would really like this. I really like the look. So I was like, you know what, let me film this video. And yeah, so here we are filming this video. Then I'm gonna go with that green shade, and that's just gonna go right onto my lid. It was a really simple eyeshadow look. I only used 3 eyeshadows. Then I also did like a little TikTok hack that I saw, so I'm gonna show you guys that in a little bit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work out, so it just depends, but I will show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this green shadow onto the lid. I really like the pigments from Makeup Geek. Like, the pigmentation of the shadows are amazing. I didn't even do any primer or anything. It was just my concealer that I used for my brows. I just kind of blended it down and set it with powder, and then I just went ahead and applied the shadows. So I'm just going back and making sure that everything's really nice and blended and touching up anything that needs to be touched up. Then I'm going with this shadow right here. That one's going to go right onto my brow bone just because I wanted something that would blend everything out, and it would just blend out really seamlessly, and it actually did. Look at that. Like, it looks so pretty. I really liked how that shadow blended into the skin. All right. So I'm just going back and retouching everything just to make sure. I really wanted that light lavendery color to pop. So I didn't really film the rest of my face because honestly I wasn't going to film, but I will do my whole face on my next video, guys. Sorry, I was just getting ready to do a TikTok. Also, follow me on TikTok because I'm kind of obsessed with it. I'm using that as like a little escape now. Like, I like to like come up with new TikToks. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend the concealer out. I am using a Frankie Rose concealer. You can use code GRACE for some money off. Also, I forgot to mention, I do have a discount code for Makeup Geek. If you guys are interested in using a code, you can use prettygrace for some money off Makeup Geek shadows. They're very inexpensive, and just using my code will help a little bit more to bring down that price a little bit more. So yeah, so for the bottom, I'm using that same lavendery color and the green shadow, just kind of bringing those in together. I really didn't know how I wanted to put them on the bottom lash line, but I think this came out perfect. I really like how this makeup look came out. So then I'm just using a BH pencil. This one is a skin color one. I forgot the name of it, but I'll list it down below for you guys. So yeah. All right, so this is a little hack that I got from TikTok. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liquid eyeliner onto this bobby pin, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it to help me with the wing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It all just depends. So most of the time it works out for me, sometimes it doesn't. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp that. That's just gonna help me kind of give me a little guide. So as you guys can see, I just have to follow whatever the bobby pin left. I'm just tracing it and then just going over it to do a wing liner, and that was really fast. Also, I am using a Araceli Beauty liquid liner. I kind of like this liner. It's just a lot easier to work with, so definitely check her out. So I'm just drawing in the line, and then I just finish it up. I did bring in the liner a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes to give me like that type of cat eye type of look. So that's what I did. I'm just bringing it in. As you guys can see, I'm bringing it in like into a pointy. I really like this style. So I was like, you know what, let me try something different because I normally never do liner. So yeah. Moving on, I'm using these new lashes. These lashes are from Mia Lee. I hope I'm saying that right. I will list her information in the down bar. She actually sent these to my P.O. box, and I kind of wanted to try something different. So I really like the lashes too. So I will link her business down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting some lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some lash glue onto my lashes, and then we're going to go ahead and let them get tacky a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and place the lashes. Then we're going to go ahead and put some mascara where our lashes get tacky. I am using the new Urban Decay. I forgot the name of the the mascara. Oh my god. Okay. So list it down below for you guys, but I really like it. It makes my lashes look longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some to the bottom lashes. They make my lashes pop. Like, I really like it. So yeah, anyways, we're going to go ahead and apply our lashes as close as we can to ours so they look like they are our lashes. Alright, lastly, we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to help the lashes stick together, become as one. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. All the products will be listed down below if you guys are interested. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.